Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how Auth admin from the Hibou exclusive Hibou Suite modules can help your company. So, to get started, we're going to go to the apps application. First thing we're going to do is remove this filter, and we're going to search for Auth admin. As you can see, this module is already installed, that's why we do not have the activate button, but in your case you just have to press this button right here. Once the module has been installed, we're going to go back to our dashboard, and we're going to look for users and companies. And we're going to go to users. We're going to remove the internal users filter. And as you can see, this will expose a new button next to each user where this access applies. So we're going to click on generate login. And as you can see, this brings up a modal window where you can copy the URL, and we're going to open it in a private window. So we're going to copy this, and we've opened it in a new private window. Go back to this window right here and click OK. Now we're going to open the Contacts app, and we're going to select the user that we'd like to log in as. Here we're going to go to the Action menu, and we're going to go to Grant Portal Access. We will then click on the Generate Login URL. Now we can click into this field and open it in a new window. Now we can click into this field right here, and we can log into a new window. This is a very time-efficient way for you to generate logins for all of your employees and clients that would like to have access to your database. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can catch up on all of our Odoo tutorials. Have a good day. Bye.